You are Jamaican or know how to cook Jamaican food. Do you put brown sugar in your rice and peas?
Yes, I do. However, in the Jamaican culture, you'll find that a lot of Jamaicans do not put sugar in their rice and peas. I've never seen my mother or any of the people that I grew up around putting sugar in their rice and peas. And when I lived in Jamaica, I didn't either. However, I started this when I moved to America. No, I know I'm not the only one that put brown sugar in rice and peas. I'm not saying I started it first, but I never saw anyone did it before I did it. It was only after I started putting it in there, I would see other people cooking with it in there. Now, growing up, whenever we're making rice and peas, we always grate and squeeze the coconut. We use a grater, we use and squeeze the coconut juice and use that to cook it. However, when I moved to America, I started getting canned coconut milk. And I find that the coconut milk doesn't taste as authentic as it does home. Oftentimes, it's missing that little hint of sweetness that he's talking about. You can go and watch the entire video. So that's the reason I personally started adding a little brown sugar to my rice and peas. And I realized that it ties the flavors together. Like all the seasonings that you add to it, your aromatics and your powdered season, if you use that and your little butter, it ties everything together for me. Keep in mind the sugar is totally optional. I've made rice and peas without brown sugar over and over and over. I just prefer it in there because I can tell the difference. I'm sure many of the people that eat my food could not tell the difference because I'm always keen not to put too much. You can't just taste my rice and peas and tell me sugar in there. And no, sugar don't belong on everything.